Guys, it's me, Daddy.
Hi.
Mama back yonder.
Hello.
Oh, and look what we in. An 2000 Ford Expedition. Our new ride. Our ride.
Who's new ride?
Ours.
Who's?
Ours.
Okay.
Duh.
You can claim it for a while.
Cha-ching. Where we going? Grocery store?
Grocery store.
I think I'm gonna cook some steaks tonight. Yeah.
We gonna be grilling and chilling.
No. Look, there's a fucking buzz.
Watch your mouth.
Oh yeah, I was gonna quit because no one heard that.
Yeah, I heard that.
No, you didn't.
Well, are you gonna talk or not?
Yeah. It's got a old radio, CD player, changer, whatever. Thing is false. It's got air adjustments right yonder. It's got air adjustments right yonder. It's got air adjustments right yonder. This thing is tricked out. Now all it needs is some camouflage on it and some big old mud tires.
Ooh, we not going to big old mud tires.
Yeah, like some Mickey Thompson 45s with like a 4-inch lift on it. Yeah. That's how you roll.
That third row's coming out.
Somebody dinging on fire one.
Yeah, you can sit down in the house and sit on.
There's Logan in the chair.
Yeah, there's Logan and Austin, a chair, Daddy.
I'm taking that third row out. I ain't having it in here. I don't want it.
Yeah, that's where my fire gear's going, way back yonder in the back. Alright, so I'll talk to y'all when we get up closer to Angles or wherever we're going. Angles. Alright, bye. We just dropped off Logan at one of his buddy's houses. Now, whoa, hold up.
I'm a mile away.
Hey, look, that was an Explorer. 2,000
I
mile.
don't see nothing my life.
And now I think we might be going to, oh crap, Ingalls? Are we going to Ingalls?
I don't know. Yeah, that's Janina.
Are we going to,
Where you guys going?
are we going to Ingalls?
I don't know.
Alright, we going to Ingalls.
I'm gonna go get me some lunch. I don't know what the fuck y'all doing.
I'm gonna be uploading some videos, more vape videos. I just got me a new RDA, and I got box mod and an RDA about 2, 3, 4 weeks ago. Boo. I don't know, something like that. So it should be coming up here in a few days. Right? When you gonna upload the rest of my videos?
I'll upload them anytime I want to.
Would you upload them here today?
Maybe. Since you're being nice and you ain't being an asshole to me again.
You hear him?
You know how it goes. Hateful to me. You pay for it one way or the other.
That was a sprayer. And now we're just driving down the road. Do. In the new SUV.
It's classified as a truck on the title.
Alright, people. Comment in the description below if an Expedition is a truck or an SUV. Because there is no bed in the very back. It's a whole cab over, and there's no bed. Bed is classified a truck. This is an SUV.
On the title, it is classified as a truck.
No, this is an SUV.
Yes, it's an SUV. But it's a truck.
That's an SUV.
But it's a truck.
That's an SUV coming towards us. A Cadillac. That's a truck coming towards us. That's a truck. That's a truck. There's 3 trucks. More trucks.
SUV. Yeah, you named them all trucks. Yeah, they were all trucks.
There was trucks there. That's a truck coming towards us.
Okay, now I'm going to have to cut out a lot of this ass truck stuff out of the video.
This is an SUV.
It's a truck.
SUV.
It's an SUV, but it's classified as a truck on top.
Man, I wish we had our donation paper.
Huh?
I was gonna stop right yonder Swiss and see black or blue figures under the skin. What up?
We're sitting here. I had to come get some lunch because I haven't had nothing. So we're sitting here in the drive-thru at Burger King. And we have been here
For 10 minutes.
sitting here in this exact spot for 10 minutes.
I bet it's a new Mexican.
We don't know what the hell's going on. We hungry. We want me food.
I just want my milkshake.
Mama wants her milkshake too. Don't you, Mama?
Watch, I bet they already got our daggone milkshake sitting up yonder like they did the other day.
So, this is aggravating. Anyway.
Oh, that feels better.
I got some bottled water because, you know, that's what I drink, some bottles of water. Look, there's our bus. Public transportation bus.
I didn't want water.
Okay.